was not prepared.
Hour 4.
We are at hour 4 of our giveaways here for National Knife Day. This is super exciting, guys. We've already given away so much.
That's right, and it's before anybody's even waking up on the West Coast. Wakened?
Well,
either way, it sounds wrong.
Did Hurricane Hillary wipe all that out there?
No, she did that years ago.
Oceanfront property in Arizona.
Woo! That was great. That is awesome. All right, so hour 4 giveaways. First up is going to be this Zwilling Twin Gourmet Steak Set right here. Again, I love these steak knives from Zwilling. I like the smaller serrations. They're not going to chew up your steak. They'll leave you to chew it up, and I like that.
Yes.
Because I like chewing my own steak.
Like we said in the last one, invest in some kitchen knives. Use it more than anything.
Next up is going to be the Puma SGB Whitetail Lockback with the wood handle. And that is a gorgeous knife right there.
Mm-hmm.
Classic design. Looks a lot like something that we know. Lockback design, clip point blade. Really nice giveaway. Up next, this one's real nice. Oh my gosh. And this is a Lurch design. This is the CRKT LCK from CRKT. Going to be giving that one away. I like the murdered out version anyways. It's all black. Nice and sleek. Next is going to be a new brand to us here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And I dig this one in particular because I like the blade shape. It just looks menacing. And this is the SRM. And as far as the model goes on this one, this is the model 72028L MB1.
Rolls off the tongue.
I was hoping you would say that. So this is going to be a crossbar lock, and it's got ambi thumb studs. Great action, micarta on the handles, and I really dig this thing. I haven't actually handled one of these until just now, and I really like it. So that's up next. We've got a concept. And this thing is really cool.
They really know what they're doing.
They do. And that's going to be a classic carbon fiber on the handle. You know, I look at like the original carbon fiber now because I've gotten so used to things like shredded carbon fiber. And I'm like, wait a minute, is that real? And yes, that's real carbon fiber. That's what carbon fiber actually looks like when it hasn't been shredded to pieces and then put back together. But yeah, so 154 CM, that is going to be the Main Street from Concept right there. Dirk Pinkerton design. Had a really cool interview and experience with him at Blade Show. Really great guy and really brilliant knife designer. And again, with the crossbar lock, making this very fidgety right there.
In Concept, they're great people. They've treated us well, and we are very appreciative of that. Yeah. And once again, they give us another great knife to give away.
Absolutely. So, and same goes for Stavivi. And now this hour, we've got the Mini Paraxis. And I actually like the Mini Paraxis better than I do the Paraxis. Nothing against the Paraxis. Paraxis.
Is it? Now I'm confused.
Hippopotamus.
Because Misty's wrote it with a Praxis. So Praxis?
Praxis.
Just Praxis, right?
It takes a lot of good practice.
Praxis. It's a good knife. I like it. Like you said, I like it better than the bigger one.
Yep.
And it kind of just goes to show you can have like a great knife design, but sometimes if it's like 2 inches smaller, 1 inch bigger, you know, like with a lot of things in life, size makes a difference.
Absolutely. Next up, we've got the Recon Patrol Auto from Knives of Alaska right there. G10 on the handles. And this is going to be, so the G10 is actually going to make up most of the frame of this. The actual frame, this is going to be a lot like a bug out on the inside, except it's an automatic and it's a button lock. So really cool design, really slim, really lightweight. D2 on the blade steel, made in the USA. That's going to be our next giveaway. And then for the grand prize on this giveaway, it's going to be the Venture Pro from Victorinox.
This is a hot knife right now.
It is, and I tell you what, with good reason. I really dig that thing. So we got an opportunity to see this, and we weren't allowed to say anything back in June. And Victorinox actually made a special trip here, doing some employee training and stuff like that. And we were talking to them about some stuff outside of the employee training, and this got brought up. And they actually showed us one of the prototypes. And what they did was,
I'm gonna take that off first.
after they showed us one of the prototypes, I was like, man, this is great, because Victorinox has been a staple in the bushcrafting community for a long time now, simply because of how useful their multi-tool knives are. But this was their first real foray into a bushcraft-oriented fixed blade knife. Now, they've made fixed blades before, but this really showed that they wanted to get...
Comes with an authentic TC beard hair.
And,
Call your own DC.
and we wanted to get one of these for testing. So they actually sent one of these for testing. We weren't allowed to show it, but we were allowed to take it out and use it. And I fell in love with this thing. I absolutely love it. I know you guys are too, so hope you enjoy that one. And then we also have a Worksharp Precision Adjust Elite. Now, we don't have the Elite here with us, but we are going to be throwing it in on this hour. So that is going to be the full kit with the travel case as well. And want to thank Worksharp so much, and Brandon over there at Worksharp for helping us out with this giveaway. They've sponsored the last 2 years, and we really appreciate them. There's going to be Worksharp in every hour today, as well as some of our in-store giveaways as well. Also, Classic Cookie on your orders. First 3,000 orders today are going to get a Classic Cookie in your order, and the National Knife Day t-shirt. If it's over $99, you're going to get a free t-shirt while supplies last. So, folks, get on there. Now, no purchase necessary. Click the link in the description so that you can enter this giveaway. The more actions you complete, the more points you get. We're going to run this giveaway for a week, and then you have 72 hours to contact us after we have made the announcement. If you don't contact us, these are going back in our giveaway pile, and we will give them away to somebody else. We're not waiting on you.
Yeah, and as always, we do have more Rough Riders to give away with this hour. And what are you waiting on? Click the link.
Yep.
Hey, we might be out of cookies.
It's going to be hard to beat.
Still get 20% off if they click the QR.
Yeah. And we got to go get hour 5 ready.
Yeah.
We got more.
This is going to be hard to beat, but
It
we
is.
can beat it, right?
And let's go duck it up.
Yep. Woo.